11th of July.
Hello everyone. It's July 11th. Yeah, we have a usual live stream on every Tuesday. Talk about the crypto, blockchain discussion. Yeah, we have a lot of information. And me, Richard, and Mr. Nicholas, we will discuss short about what's happening with our crypto market, with what's happening and how's the price of the Bitcoin crypto. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, what do you think about the price of Bitcoin,
I think,
BTC?
yeah, I think the price has been pretty stable in the last 1 week or 2 weeks. So basically, it is hanging up and down 30,000. And for ETH, it's hanging up and down 1,900, 1,800 plus. Uh, I think recently, quite a number of U.S. Leaders has been visiting China.
Yeah,
Uh, they've been trying to, how would they say, they've been trying to ensure that their own economy continue to stay afloat. Yeah, so we all know that last month they raised interest rate and all. So a lot of people are expecting that they may raise interest rate again. So let's see how. Hopefully they kind of like just stay the same. Don't simply just raise the interest rate just like that.
yeah,
And of course, be- because of all this that's happening, and maybe things that shouldn't be happening, are helping the people stay confident. Yeah, you see people like Democratic presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy.
yeah.
JFK you heard before, but this is RFK. So
But I remember he is one of the, uh, uh, not the son, is uh, John Kennedy, his grandfather,
yeah,
his
so
friend.
John F. Kennedy was the president many years
Yeah,
ago. Yeah,
yeah,
so this guy here, he confirms that he owns a considerable amount of Bitcoin. So,
yeah,
and how much is a considerable amount? They say, oh, the Kennedy's family holds between 100,000 to 250,000 worth of Bitcoin. I think it's more than that. It's not that little.
yeah, that's
I
right.
think is they are basically just telling the world, okay, this is particular. This one is in our brokerage account as of 30th of June. This is about this amount. So maybe there are some others that they didn't tell us. We don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah, but anyway, there are some things notable that he said that the network should be the Bitcoin network should be nurtured and protected. Yeah, of course, maybe he's trying to say this to get some Bitcoin votes, Bitcoin enthusiasts vote for his presidential bid. Yeah, and then and he said this in Miami last it's 3 months ago in May. Yeah,
yeah,
3 months, 2 months ago. Yeah. So and then let's move on. He said Bitcoin is not only a bulwark up against totalitarianism and the
yeah,
manipulation of our money supply. It points a way towards a future of which government institutions are more transparent and democratic. I think to a certain degree, to a certain extent, this statement makes a lot of sense. Yeah. But then again, no government will want to have decentralized money floating everywhere, and they want everything to be controlled. You see,
yeah,
so
that's
maybe
right.
saying this to get more support, But who knows? After saying this, and if he ever become president, maybe it's a different story. It's just like the rest of the president. But anyway, he's going to accept donations in Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Yeah, and you see the opposite camp, the Republican, they are hopeful people like from these two governors from Florida. They also have tried to use the Bitcoin sentiments to get more votes from people who are very enthusiastic about Bitcoin. Yeah. So these are the things that are happening even in the political circle in the US.
Of course, when I see this article, this information, he's the one who support crypto, support Bitcoin because he used Bitcoin as a donation tool
Yeah.
to receive money from the public. Yeah, and he hope he will be the president. And after he be the president, he may have some of the law and rule or open mind for
Yeah.
Bitcoin. Yeah, some the Bitcoin community people from the community support. They may support more on him. Support because he support Bitcoin, so he support uh, so the community support him. Yeah, that is just the story in US, and we hope that in US they may have some the other rules, some other regulation to support more in the crypto and Bitcoin. Now get back to some of the news in the SEC. Yeah. Uh, in the photo, we may see the SEC chair, and now the next one from the right side is SEC chairman Clayton, and he also share some information about Bitcoin spot ETF. Yeah, and he said just spot ETF will be approved if spot Bitcoin market have a similar protection to the future. Yeah, it's just the thing he want to share in short, and it's in the detailed article. Yeah, let's have a look, and he and we also can see some of the talk from him. If they are right and spot market have a similar activity to the future market, will be hard to receive approval. Yeah, we hope that in the future, next 200 days, the spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved, and it will be the bull run for the crypto and Bitcoin because at that time the people in US they may buy the crypto Bitcoin similar at buying the stock, buying some of the other goods and some of the bond like the government bond, and it will be protected by the government. Yeah. When SEC approve the future ETF, now we see in the market there's a future ETF. Yeah, some of the company they said, and we hope that the next one is the spot ETF, because with the spot ETF you can buy and you can get immediately. Yeah, with the future we will get the crypto in the future based on your option. Yeah, and we
Yeah.
see that
There's
protected. Yeah.
yeah.
Uh, this is
So
not the
basically,
investment advice.
it's different kind of trading instrument that
Yeah,
allows people to quickly make some money
yeah,
on the movement of the prices.
yeah. And we hope that this news is look like the information to boost up the crypto market and make the market feel more people investor feel more excited. Yeah, and some of the news in Singapore, I hear the DBS group. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, could you
Yeah.
share some information about the?
Hey, this DBS group, China, is a uh, subsidiary arm of DBS Singapore. Yeah. So we all know that DBS is probably, they say it's the biggest Southeast Asia's largest bank. Yeah. Maybe that's really so. Yeah. In Singapore, they are very big. Yeah. So nearly almost everyone has DBS bank account. DBS
Yeah,
bank card. We have our phone, PayNow, PayLah, everything DBS. Yeah. So DBS is, or DBS is launching a new payment solution for China's digital yuan, which is the ECNY. Yeah, so and of course to actively supporting the development of China's financial market innovation. Yeah, so uh, this they tested it successfully with a collection from catering business in Shenzhen. Yeah. So
yeah,
and of course this new move is to allow businesses to collect customer payments in ECNY uh, digital yuan basically, and automatically make settlements that are then directly deposited back to the fiat bank account. So like fiat and digital, they are kind of like working very seamlessly right now. Yeah. So
no,
so in fact, the user may not even know that they are actually using digital yuan. Possibly, possibly they wouldn't even know. So they just transfer here and there, and immediately they see the money in the account. Yeah, fiat money in the account. Yeah. So of course, a brief highlight today. As of today, the CBDC is being used in 26 Chinese region across 17 provinces, and you see, more importantly, there is 13.6 billion of this ECNY circulating by the end of last year. Yeah, so so that's quite a lot of money that's circulating, considering the
no.
fact that digital currency is still rather new to a lot of people, and this is already happening in China. Yeah, so it's a good thing to that the world has China to look at and see what they do and what happens after that, and then perhaps follow and do something even better. Yeah, what do you think, bro?
Yeah, with the way they use is not much chance for the user because when they use CBDC like this, they will think this should look like the digital currency, like Momo and Bayla. They just transfer the money from this wallet to the other wallet and
Mm,
it's controlled by the bank and they don't care what happening behind the scene. Yeah, look like I transfer the money to you through my Momo app. So you also don't know much. That is the CBDC or that is the digital currency. Yeah. So this thing is a smart move from the government because they don't want the user think much about what
yeah.
happening behind the scene. Yeah, just know that okay, I have money in my wallet and I transfer to you, and you receive it after a few seconds. Yeah, when I
Mm,
say I send you $5, okay, you receive $5. Yeah, that's a way, similar way with the crypto. Yeah, in crypto, if I send to you one ETS or one BNB, you will receive in a few seconds. Yeah, within a few seconds, it's similar. And with the CBDC, the bank control, with the crypto, community control, no one control it. Yeah, and and that's way with the way the normal people with the some of the people say, oh, no one control, I feel unsafe, I worry about this, so they accept to use the thing that the bank or government control. If I send to the wrong person, I can retrieve back, I can get it back. With the cryptocurrency, I send different people, I send to wrong people. Of course, I lost all the
um,
fund, all the money. Yeah, that's some of the thing we need to consider about
yeah, yeah.
using crypto. Yeah. The next one, what's happening? What happened in the crypto today? Yeah, a lot of information we also covered previously last week. Bitcoin price disclosed remain and BTC trading volume shows. That means the more and more people feel excited and they get more crypto. But the price of the Bitcoin is now below 31,000. I also I also see the price of the Bitcoin around 31,000 last week. and now it's go down. Oh, now we also can see the BNB price now go up to $245. Yeah, yesterday it's at around 234. Now it's going more 5.15%. Yeah, so many today. We also consider about the BNB. Yeah, and we also can see the Bitcoin's the cost base share up to 50% in the SEC lawsuit. Yeah, the
Right.
price of cost base go up. Yeah, and Bitcoin sell 3,000 discount on the Binance.us. Yeah, in the Binance of US, the price of the Bitcoin is lower than, yeah, and more scale. Spot ETF again, we also see spot Bitcoin ETF won't be a game changer in the United States based on the JP Morgan, because JP Morgan is one of the biggest bank in US, and of course they control money and they want Bitcoin and crypto is not the king in US, so they consider, they slowly think about the regulation to control Bitcoin and crypto. Yeah, and what they say is we hear that, but we think twice when we see some information, some news, and they say the spot Bitcoin ETF won't be a game changer. Uh, but
No,
I but I hope
sells
in future, yeah,
yeah, Bitcoin sells at $3,000 discount.
yeah.
Wow.
In
It, yeah.
Binance.us, if you go to the trading view, in the trading view, let me refresh the trading
So,
view.
you know what I'm thinking right now, right? So
Yeah,
if it sells that $3,000 discount, can a user uh, they they buy at Binance.us and then they sell at Binance.com?
of course they can do like that, but when they withdraw or they change something, it's hard for them to do that. You see in the, because last time I also want to say something very weird, because in the Binance US we also see the price of the Bitcoin suddenly within the few hour of within the here within the, I remember last month
So within a few
June,
moments,
and
the price
yeah,
jumps so high.
the jump go to 138 thousand, yeah, and then it's going down. That's the thing last month, and the thing when a few days ago, 5 days ago, we also can see on Monday, on yesterday, the price in Binance of US, the price of Bitcoin around 31,000, and now is the lowest price around 30,200. Yeah,
So,
this
so someone is trying to jerk the price up in order to suddenly do some special trading or something like that.
yeah, that's the thing. I also think about this. And then let's say in Binance.com, we see the price also similar here. If we compare with yesterday, the price is from 31,000, yeah, and now is trading around 30,400. Yeah, we also see the price change, the price change. Uh, is from 30,500, and now currently is around 30,400. But we see in the one, two, three, four candle, green candle, and the next candle we see red. But I hope is it's maybe every five candle. It should be the green. The next one, it should be the green candle. Yeah. So the price may be a little bit up. Yeah. Now we
Oh,
see,
so
oh,
yeah.
the next one, the next candle is a red one. Yeah, it's going down 1, 2, 3, 4. Normally, 3, 5, 3, 5, 8 candle. Yeah. Some people have looked in the candles so they can predict the next price of the crypto, next price. Yeah, that's why if you follow up with the market, you may predict the next price and give you some of the trading strategy. Yeah. We hope that we cover some of the latest news, some of the information in crypto and Bitcoin. Let me go back to the Bitcoin. Some of the coin in the coin market cap. Um, Coin market cap, we see the price with the fear and risk index. We also can see the 57 neutral. It means that the price may go sideways, neutral. People don't want to sell or people don't want to buy and don't have the 3D or don't have the thing much. Yeah, that's a neutral uh, um, behaviors. Yeah, we see more. We also can see the this time we see the BNB price were up much, and BTC ATS. Yeah, it's nice to see some of the information and new. As we also can see uh, the chart, the other coin like Matic were up more, and some of the as so many crypto go up, but when the Bitcoin go down 2% compared with 7 days, but this go up uh, um, 1.38% compared with 24 hour. Yeah, we hope in the we in 24 hours we also can see a BNB go up 5%. Yeah, something happened and it's make the price of BNB go up much. Yeah. Uh, Now we also can see how's news in the crypto and Bitcoin. Some the latest new. We also can see rate scale. Um, the rate scale rotates as it see approved different kind of the Bitcoin ETF. Yeah. Also uh, again, grayscale glyphone over SEC approve of a different kind of Bitcoin ETF because grayscale submit the application in the Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, when finance space Bitcoin investor home grid. Yeah, we hope that when the SEC approve, we also can see the new price, the new crypto rally. Yeah, we hope that. Let's see the next one. The next 21 minutes ago, 21 minutes ago, also can see article about the Zap Apple, Z Apple Pay, breaking Apple Pay with the demonstration function. Two Bitcoin developers have developed a Zapper Pay to allow Bitcoin tip on the demos. The new app enables the Zap feature just using the React emoji. Reversely, Apple tried to prevent function by claiming it could remove. Yeah, it means that we also can see the some of the developer in Apple. He uh, he have the Zap Pay. Yeah, he create the
This this is not by Apple, right?
not Apple, not by Apple.
Like, they're just trying to make it sound like Apple Pay.
Yeah, he's the one who uh, developed the application, and he make the Z Apple Pay, and he had a function to allow to buy and trade Bitcoin. However, the Apple Store they don't allow it. Yeah, But it is good to see some of the new application, new new thing to let the to approach more and more user, more and more people in crypto. In the Bitcoin space, you can now use similar comment on their post with the emoji. Yes, iOS, nothing Apple can do to stop it. Yeah. The two Bitcoin developer behind the ZFO Pay Ben Carmen and Paul Miller. The pair also do the co-founder Unity Wallet and Prospect. With this kind of information, we also can get some news information about the wallet app to use a crypto. Yeah, it's very useful for us to learn more about this, and we also don't be get trapped in some of the fake app to and it will lead you to lose your crypto. Yeah, it's good to know that, and this thing with this thing we know that people some developer still had the faith on the crypto and Bitcoin, so he they to make the application to let the people feel familiar with the crypto and Bitcoin, and when they trading or when they use so easy for them in the future. Yeah. If we compare with the wallet and crypto 5 years or 3 or 5 years, we will feel more leisure and comfortable because now today we have so many crypto app, wallet app to enhance to let to store your Bitcoin and crypto outside of the exchange. You control all of your fund, not exchange. Yeah, so not your key, not your wallet, not your key, not your money. So keep your so some of the hints from some of the a guru in crypto say that if you want to trade Bitcoin safely, you just keep a small amount in the exchange for trading, and with some of the money you keep in your private wallet, yeah, for your own safety. Yeah, don't put all your egg in one basket, so the wolf will get it. Yeah, that is some of the tips, and we also cover most of the news, most of the major news, and we also think it's also time for us to say goodbye, and we hope to see you in the next live stream. Mr. Nicholas, you have some information and something shared to our audience.
All right, thank you all for joining us. What we shared here earlier, basically what we have seen from the news, from information online, anything that can help us understand the market better today. So by no means we are giving advices, but of course, if you are investing in new coins or whatever, just do remember and make some effort, go and read up on the information, find out for yourself what is happening behind the scenes, what these particular coins plan to do, and things like that. And of course, we hope you make some money, and we will see you in our next live stream.
Yeah,
Bye.
see you in the next live stream and goodbye. I also don't know where to end the live stream. Oh, yeah, here.